Tesla's full self-driving (FSD) beta lets you choose from 3 driving profiles that dictate how the car will react to certain situations on the road. Each mode, chill, average, and assertive, varies in terms of aggressiveness and potentially safety. The feature was included in the October 2021 version 10.3 update, which was pulled 2 days after it started rolling out due to an issue with left turns at traffic lights. Tesla issued version 10.3.1 one day later, which still includes FSD profiles, as shown on the release notes posted on Not a Tesla app. Based on these notes, FSD profiles are described as a way to control behaviors like rolling stops, speed-based lane changes, following distance and yellow light headway. A separate image posted to Twitter gives us a more detailed glimpse at what this actually means. In the description beneath the assertive option, Tesla notes the vehicle will have a smaller follow distance and perform more frequent speed lane changes. The vehicle will also not exit passing lanes and may perform rolling stops, and it's not entirely clear whether this means cars won't come to a full stop at stop signs. A YouTube video shows all 3 modes in action, and towards the end, it shows how Tesla describes each FSD profile. In chill mode, the vehicle will have a larger follow distance and perform fewer speed lane changes, while average mode means the car will have a medium follow distance and may perform rolling stops. That said, it's a bit hard to distinguish the difference between these modes from this video alone, as it doesn't test out the vehicle's behavior in heavy traffic or harsh weather conditions. It's hard to tell just how much these FSD profiles change the way the vehicle drives and if they push the limits of safety, especially when traveling in the rain or snow. If the descriptions of these profiles are accurate, it means that a Tesla in assertive mode may follow cars more closely, come to rolling stops, and swap lanes more frequently, behaviors that tend to be more dangerous, no matter the car you're in. It's important to note that Tesla's FSD feature doesn't make the car completely autonomous. A feature-complete version would ideally let users drive to and from work without intervention. Tesla's controversial FSD beta was rolled out to more users last September based on a safety score system that prioritizes drivers with safer driving habits, something that the National Transportation Safety Board cautioned against. In November, what appears to be the first ever crash involving Tesla's FSD mode left a Tesla severely damaged. Profiles are back in Tesla's latest full self-driving beta 10.3 with an assertive mode that may perform rolling stops and other borderline maneuvers, The Verge has reported. The update was originally released in October 2021 with 3 profiles, chill, average, and assertive, but was pulled just 2 days later over issues with traffic light left turns, unexpected stopping, and more. The latest update issued yesterday shows that the full self-driving beta profiles are back. If you choose assertive, the notes state that in this profile, your Model X will have a smaller follow distance, perform more frequent speed lane changes, will not exit passing lanes, and may perform rolling stops. As @digitalhin notes, the system may also perform rolling stops even in average mode. Generally, a rolling stop means a vehicle doesn't come to a complete halt at a stop sign, which is illegal and dangerous, but it's not yet clear if that's what FSD will do. It's also illegal in many states to stay in the left or passing lane if you're not passing anyone, and of course, it's never a great idea to follow the vehicle ahead too closely. All of that said, the model hasn't been tested enough yet to demonstrate exactly how it's doing those things. On the weekend, CEO Elon Musk announced that Tesla would be raising the price of FSD from $10,000 to $12,000, even though it's still in beta. As we've pointed out before, the name full self-driving is misleading, much like autopilot, as FSD does not offer true level 4 self-driving, but simply level 2 advanced driver assistance.